Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Meme, also known as Memsnaij. On my space here, I make natural hair videos, parent-teacher tip videos, and lifestyle talking videos. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this. So I finally got the Revlon hair dryer brush. Reviews on Amazon, the reviews on YouTube, everybody says it's so good, especially us 4C girls. Like 4C girls are saying it is good. First time I ever saw this reviewed, I'm like, I beg. Every time I have jumped on a bandwagon, it hasn't worked out well for me, so I said I wasn't going to get it. However, I did find one cheap hair brush like this in Boots, and I bought it and used it to dry my hair. My hair scattered that brush. It scattered and tattered it. So yeah, I said to myself, you see, but I have been struggling with my hair because the drying process is getting too long. My hair has grown, and because it's grown, it takes longer to dry. My wash day is just taking too long and I don't like it. So I decided to get this to see if it will shorten the wash day. People are saying that it's taking them 30 minutes to dry their whole head with this thing. I don't believe it. 30 minutes get me down my... So anyway, I'm going to test it. I'm going to see if it takes me 30 minutes to wash my hair. I've just put some oil in my hair to detangle. I will pre-poo, then I will wash, condition, and I will dry my hair with my new dryer. I haven't even opened it. This is not the fake one. This thing. Are you sure my hair is not going to pull this thing out? You people, all of you people, are you not lying? All of you people on YouTube, you people are lying that this thing really works. I beg, I don't believe. After spending this money, if it doesn't work, honestly, somebody will give me refund. One of them YouTubers. So this is what it looks like. Very simple. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's just, this is it. Like, this is it. This thing is what is making all this noise here, all this hype. I'm a bit late for so many things. Like, it's now. Everybody has bought used. They people started buying that suction one. What's that one called? The one that sucks your hair in, that people are saying it works. Even 4C girls. I'm suspecting all of you. Anyway, let's try this bad boy out. By the time I come back, hopefully it won't be dark, because ain't nobody got time to be recording video. I'm not doing this video more than once. So let's watch this hair quick and get on with it there. So I should stop talking so that we can do it. Alright? Just want to show you the shrinkage. I'm deep conditioning it now. So I've moisturized my hair in sections, because if I leave my hair, it will start to tangle against itself. So I normally dry my hair in a protective style, because my hair cannot just dry on its own, it will tangle up. So I've done this, and I'm going to take each section and blow dry it. Not bad, it's dry. I was using the low. I started off with the low and then finished with the high, because I'm afraid of heat, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it's dry. It's dry. It's dry. And I'm really surprised that this thing went through my hair. Like, I'm shocked. I get it. I get why everyone makes so much noise about this brush. It is quite the gadget. This thing is amazing. I get it 110%. My hair is dry. This is a proper fro, although I could get this fro with the braid out. To be fair, I could get my hair looking like this with the braid. Yeah, the entire process took me about an hour and a half to completely dry. This thing is a bad boy, honestly. Bad boy. Love it. I don't know, like, what else can I say? It is very good. Until my next video, don't forget to spread love, spread positivity, and live to inspire. See ya.